Hi Gemini, this is going to be your pendulum read for whatever question you are asking. I'm going to get a yes or a no. So think of your question now. Whilst you are thinking it, I'm going to get the definition between a yes and a no. Spirit, angels and ancestors, please show me clearly a yes. So a yes. Yes is a circle. Thank you, Spirit. Can you show me a no? A very clear no, please, Spirit. Show me a no. Side to side. Or a line. It's a line. Thank you, Spirit. For the collective, whatever question they are asking, is it a yes? It's a no. Second question, Spirit, please tell me if it's a yes or a no. For the second question, please. It's a yes. Thank you, Spirit.